Hey, how's it going, folks? Today we're going to assemble a 20-inch PVC coated collapsible cage. Today I'm here with
Nashville.
And we're just going to go over it. It's a really simple process. Let me go over some details on it first. This is a new model we brought out. It's a 1-inch by 4-inch PVC coated welded wire. It's galvanized at the core for higher rust resistance. The floor is 1/2 by 1 inch PVC coated, so the entirety of the cage is PVC coated as far as welded wire goes. It does have its waist guards, basically keeping the birds focused on what they're doing. They're not checking out outside too much, and keeps basically all the nastiness inside in your pan. All right, this is how you're going to receive your cage. It's going to come in this nice little cardboard box. Let's get this opened up. We'll try to make the packaging easy for you guys so you don't have to spend all day opening your package. Alright, so you are going to get your free drinker. The drinker comes with a bucket to hose adapter. I'll show you that, guys, in a second. It's hardware, basically just clips, super easy. And you're going to get your waste tray and your feeder for this system. And it's going to be the feeder trough that goes along to the front of the cage. So, all right. Nashville's a subject matter expert for this, so she's going to have her pliers here. She likes the needle nose. Yep. And you're going to be using your clips. We separated ours just for the video sake. It's super easy. You can pull them apart or just, you know, heat them up a little bit and pull them apart. Super easy. Like I said, there you go.
So, clip. So first, just place a clip. I like it like that, like the bottom, the single on the bottom. A clip in the center. Now it holds it on its own. Put the center in, and then the side and side. You close it up. There you go.
So she basically did there, just fold leg by leg. It's the simplest way to do it. Like I said, she prefers the needle nose pliers. You don't necessarily need to do it with those. You can do it with these as well, the slide jaw pliers. But like I said, she's the expert, and she likes those better. She does it faster than I can. Nope.
I'm going to the side. Yeah.
All right. We're gonna work on this corner. Same thing. She's only doing the essential for video's sake. She's only doing these corners, but when you do it, you're gonna be doing this corner here, the middle, and make sure everything is cinched up. Don't forget this back corner here. That way it's nice and squared off here. Put a clip here. But like I said, as far as go for the video, we'll just do the essential, and you know, that way you don't keep you here all day. It does have 2 doors. This cage system does have 2 doors, so if in any case you do want to divide them, or you do want to do some sort of like quarantine or hospital cages, which is essentially what I recommend for this, we'd go for that. All right, back to this. She is flipping up her guard, which serves as a purpose for the floor as well. She can do the same thing, leg by leg.
Center.
All right. So meanwhile she gets that squared away, pop open your door. Door, same thing. It's a slide ring, super secure system. Pop your door up. You're gonna notice that this has 4 holes punched out. Like I said, she's only gonna do one just so it holds up. So you can do all 4 of these, and you're gonna line it up with this here. That way you got your perfect size on your floor gap. Once she gets done lining that up.
Okay.
As far as the floor goes, you can be like me, be the assistant and hold it up, or you can just pop it up with one finger and get that for you. So as soon as you get it clipped up.
There you go.
Like I said, as far as the divider goes, we got the dividers on the site. Just leave a note on which one system you're going to be using it, because we have multiple systems available. So just let us know, hey, it's going to be for the PVC coated collapsible cage, and we can send that along for you, like I said, to do a small breeder system or, you know, anything like that.
And go.
And your front support.
Yep. That.
Put one up here. This front support has 3 holes. One at the top, two in the front. Same thing, cinch them all together and you'll be good to go.
Center. That's the one. There you go.
Very cool. So, system is quasi-assembled. Hey, can you do me a favor and open this, please? Your feeder goes along the front. Same thing, goes along the front. And your tray goes into these little holders here. And you're good to go. The little guards are to hold the tray and also to do a little nifty double wrap purpose. Now this, right on top of your cage, can you pull that hose out?
Yep.
Thank you. And you got a pretty simple battery cage. You place drinker wherever you want. This is the drinker that comes free with this system. It's a float drinker cup with its little adapter. I do recommend you use like Tupperware or just some small drinker reservoir for this. It's the best. It can be flat. Like I said, Tupperware's great for this. But yeah, as far as this goes, the new system we're bringing out, and it's relatively easy to assemble. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give me a call. Me or Nash will be more than happy to answer any questions. Text, message, or call. Thank you.
Thank you.